Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
Joji Paralag, and I'm a Filipino.
Okay. So, how old are you?
I'm 36 years old this December 18.
Okay. So, are you single or married?
Separated. For,
Separated. Do you have children?
I have three children.
Three
Uh,
children?
yeah, two and one adult.
Okay, where are they now?
They are in the Philippines,
In
madam.
Philippines? Who's taking care of them in Philippines?
They are living their own. Nobody will take care of them. Just only my auntie.
Okay. So, what position are you applying for?
Nannies or housemaid, all around housemaid.
All around. Okay. So, when would you be able to start working?
I'm willing to start as soon as possible.
As
If
soon
it's
as possible, you can start. Okay, do you have relatives here in UAE?
not, no, no, I
You
don't
don't
have
have.
anything.
Okay, so please describe your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employers? What are your
I'm a
duties and responsibilities?
cleaning and
Mhm.
nannies, cooking, ironing, everything. All around housemaid.
Okay, how many children are under your care?
They are two children.
Two
Yeah, 4 years
children.
old, 4 years old boy and 16 years old boy.
Ah, okay. So, what do you like most about your present job? What do you enjoy doing? Cleaning, cooking, or looking after the children?
Cooking,
What's that?
cooking.
Cooking. You love to cook. Okay. So, describe how do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
The the first I in living room.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, was making shampooing for the carpets, dusting,
Mm-hmm.
and then
Okay.
put water in the floor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, for the bedroom, how many
For
times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
two times. Two
Twice.
times. Yeah,
Twice a
twice.
week.
Twice
Okay,
a week.
so how do you maintain the cleanliness of the toilet?
Every day. Should
You
be
clean
every
it
day.
every day.
Yes.
Okay, good. So, what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Just I'm looking open and I didn't open the door. Just I what's in the from the this they calling. I will not open until
Peephole. You're
yeah.
going to look at the peephole and then check.
Yes. Check it. Just only check it in the hole of the door. That's it.
Okay.
I will not never. I didn't open until my employer didn't tell me if it's open or not. And
Okay. So you said you love to cook. What kind of foods you can prepare? Or what are your specialties?
I can cook Chinese food, Arabic
Mm-hmm.
food, and Iranian food.
Okay. So
Yes.
what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Playing and reading with reading books.
Playing and reading books.
Yes.
Okay.
Someone.
So if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
It should be first aid.
Mm-hmm.
If it's a have wound, it should be first aid, clean the wounds like that.
Okay. So as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
If it's acceptable, you can say no. If it's no, if it's maybe it's wrong, you can say no also.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
2,500.
Okay. At least 2,500.
Yes.
Okay. So describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Uh, my name is Joji Paralag.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a good housemaid.
Mm-hmm.
I can do all my responsibility. I can take care of baby, and I can cook.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And I'm expecting for a good employer.
Okay. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you for maidcv.com. Thank